Welcome back to Big Joe's Outdoors. Today, of course, I'm feeding the animals, but I had to go buy feed. Price of feed's ridiculous, way out there. It's gone up so much it ain't funny. But you know, junk like beer stays cheap. It's weird. Well, I just unloaded my feed, and I believe we're going to be cooking us some gar burgers tonight, keto style, with a bell pepper for the bun, some mayonnaise and some mustard, kind of keep it low, cheap, easy. I got a new seasoning I want to try out, some hamburger seasoning the Matco truck guy gave me to try out. So we're going to run that through this afternoon. We're going to see what it tastes like. Hopefully it's good. I'm pretty sure it is. Their jerky, the same brand company that makes that seasoning, the jerky's great. So we'll see. I'm going to shut this down. We'll go ahead and feed, and we'll get to cooking here in a minute. Oh my God, that's huge. Oh my God. Oh my God, that's a big ass fish. Oh, that hurts. That's a freaking ball. Alright, got the pan warming up. It's a little windy, so hopefully it don't blow out. Alright, let's get a little focus on what we're working on here. Get that out of the way. Here's the seasoning. It's Running Wild Burger Seasoning Rub. It's supposed to be made for hamburgers. This is basically, I ground up the gar into, I ground the whole gar up, a gigantic tub of gar in there. And pan's getting warm, so let's get some seasoning on here. And the fun part is that needs a massage it in. Looks like enough. It's gonna be a pretty good size pan. That might be a little much. Take a little more off. Yeah, that's a lot. Well, maybe make 2 burger patties with it. Yeah, we'll make 2 burger patties. Alrighty. Sizzle, sizzle. And I'm gonna go wash my hands, put this away since it seems like it's gonna fly away, and get me a flipping apparatus because I forgot one. See what I'm doing here is trying to get the oil on the back side of this, since the truck leans that way, so that way when I do flip it, it's not going to want to stick on that side. All right. Put that there. I have my mayonnaise, my mustard, and my dough, my bread. A pocket knife somewhere. Oh, there it is. Let's see. Cut it this way, yeah. This way, and all I gotta do is go around here. That's one side of my bun. I'm gonna hollow it out a little bit. Chicken! Bell pepper! I'm gonna kind of do the same thing on this side. Everything has got to hit the floor on this channel. Alright. Little chicken dirt never hurt nobody. Alright. That's how I get my buns. I'm gonna have these little things growing all over the yard. The buns! And then we get a bonus. Some grilled onion too. I mean bell pepper. Where's that onion? Chickens will love this. Chicken! And it's hot. This is cooking up good. I'm gonna stop and get something cold to drink because I have nothing cold in the fridge. And what goes better with cooking gar on the griddle in the middle of the day? Now when I use my gar, actually almost every time now, I just grind the whole thing up. I fillet it out. That was in the video. I showed how to clean it. This is kind of the cooking portion of it. I might throw in the catching and a small portion of the cleaning where I'm removing the meat. The grinding portion I didn't record, but meat grinder, you just stick it in the hole, push it down there, it makes meat, ground meat. But I make hamburger patties with it. And most of the time I just package in big gallon bags because if you like spaghetti, gar's a good beef or pork or chicken substitute to that. Low fat, good meat. It actually has a pork texture more than anything else. I make sausage. I brought a whole bunch of sausage that I had made to work with me yesterday, and everybody loved it. With just some legs, sausage seasoning, a few extra ingredients to spice it up a little bit, whole onions and bell pepper, a few other seasonings, whole seasonings like this, and jalapeno. I ground that up in there. Couldn't even taste the jalapeno in there. I did about 5 pounds of it. I did cut it a bit with some pork fat, which I bought the only pork shoulder I've ever bought that didn't have 5 pounds of fat on it that day. So, oh well, I got a bunch of pork roast in the fridge for me and the dog to eat on. I'm turn this off. But if you're looking to try out a fish and they're gigantic. You go these alligator gar, even the small gar. Small are a little bit easier. They are to clean. It took a hatchet to bust through that gar. I'm gonna go buy me a cane knife. I got a machete and a hatchet all the time. I broke my cane knife a long time ago. I need to get another one. So I'll be getting that pretty soon. You'll see it if I do another gar cleaning video. Hopefully I'll get it soon. I gotta go see if they got one down the bayou. But the burgers are almost done, so let's get back on that. I'm gonna take the little one since it'll probably fit the best. Throw these in here like this. Give a little more crunch. Little mayonnaise. Okay, a lot of mayonnaise. And some mustard. Cheap, easy. But if that seasoning's worth it, it's gonna be good. Now, how hot it is, I'm gonna burn my tongue. Well, we'll have to see. But this is my little keto gar burger. Just gar meat, nothing extra. A little bit of Running Wild burger seasoning. I did get the garlic butter seasoning too, so I'm gonna be trying that in another video. But let's give this a try. Even if you don't eat keto, give that a try. Sweet bell pepper, the crunch, the meat, it's awesome. So, I'm gonna eat my dinner here. I got another bell pepper inside for this one. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.